So in school today, we were doing a success principle called an I want list. So what I was getting our teenagers to do was write down a long list of all the things that they want to do with their life, their career, their job, their service to community, their physical and mental health. And we were trying to cover about 7 areas of their life. And so the list was getting longer and longer and longer. It's really great to see them actually expressing what they want to get out of life, from wanting a car or a flat or a new pet or a family, anything. It went down on the list. And then at the end we did a fun exercise that I learnt from Jack Canfield himself at our workshop I attended last year. So there I was in class and I was holding up this money in my hand, and I said to them, who wants this money today? Because hands went up and they went, me, 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 me. So, okay, great, lovely feedback, fantastic. What do you think you need to do to get the money? And they went, work hard, do my homework, ask for it, all sorts of responses. I said, great responses, fabulous. Who wants the money? And the penny didn't clip for a very long time, and still I started walking around. And I said, you know what? Sometimes when you want something in life badly enough, you actually have to get up and do something about it. So I say again, who wants the money? Still didn't click. So I said, okay, so if I wanted some chocolate today and I had to go to the local shop to get it, then I have to do what? Oh, yes, I have to walk down to the shop or drive down to the shop. I actually have to pick it and then pay for it and then eat it. Okay, so who wants the money? And it dawned, there was one moment where it just dawned on 2 young men, and there was this race to the front of the room to grab the money out of my hand. And the moral of the story is, both for teenagers and for yourselves, is if you want something, you actually have to do something about it. You have to follow your dreams. You have to get up and take the money. You have to pursue a life and career that you're probably only just dreaming of now.